Everyone, it's Kylie, and this is Moshi. I tried changing it, and I liked it. And the more and more you look at it, I'm like, this is not my style, personally. So I'm going to be changing my Gacha OC and giving you some tips and on how to make a cute Gacha OC. I'm just gonna say whatever comes to mind with this, so I'm just picking up the skin color because most of this I will explain after I change my OC. And I also put it on the default girl so it's easier to customize. You should explore your options before deciding on something. That way you don't get stuck on the same thing over and over again, and you won't regret a thing because you've seen everything else and you're sure this is the one. So for this one, I'm just gonna take a screenshot since I'm not sure that I want this one. Just gonna take a screenshot since I like it more. So yeah, I'm gonna do a different hairstyle and see which one I like better. Sorry about all the background noise. The phone tends to pick up on that. So now I'm just cropping it so I only see the hair. That way I can compare both of the hairstyles. I actually had a lot of trouble cropping it out. I didn't like either of them, so I'm combining features from the both of them and just switching up some stuff to see what I like. And then that's the hairstyle for the outfit. I mean, for my OC, oh my god. Color, I tried to do a brown to purple, but it didn't hit right. So I tried to do light brown, so I decided just do light purple or lavender. What is what the color is called, lavender. I had trouble choosing the color for the eyes because I didn't want it to be too rough or too saturated where you don't really notice it. And I chose this eye color since it's like, this eye since it's my favorite. Now to the hair, I chose this cute one, but I had to remove the a-hog. Now face features, I wanted to see how eyeshadow looked, and it didn't really suit the character. And I put freckles and onto the clothes. For the clothes, first off, I started off simple, but then when it got to the skirts, I was like, oh my god, I gotta go all out. And my color scheme is just white, gray, and darker gray. I like to have fun with the socks and, make them mix matched because I think it's so fun and it looks different and unique. And to end it all off, I put a cape. Hello everyone, it's Kylie, and as you can see, this is my new OC. I will be sharing some tips and tricks that I picked up along the way while making this OC. Let's get on with the video. The first thing you see when you look at a character is their color scheme. Now that's the first topic. This is the color scheme of my Gacha character. I recommend choosing one color and your color scheme will be different hues of that color. I chose white, so my color scheme is white, grays, and dark grays. So that's why I recommend when you don't know what your color scheme is to be. The next topic is the color of your hair. The color of my hair is a saturated lavender color and the outline is a darker version. I recommend choosing one color for your hair, but if you want two, then that's fine, it looks nice. Just make sure it's a color that's from the same hue as the first one, and the outline has to be the same color from the same hue of colors that you choose. It's hard to explain, but a darker version like this, like my own gacha character's hair. Oh my god, this is so hard to explain. I am so sorry. So that's what I recommend. In terms of hairstyle, just do what you like and make sure you keep it logical. There's really not much to say about eye color. Just choose what you like that fits the outfit. That's really it to talk about. Eye color, the one I chose is saturated aqua. Now is skin color. I do not know why my eyes are glistening when it comes to skin color, but just choose one, and the outline is a darker shade. In terms of style, I recommend choosing an aesthetic that fits you. I decided to make two versions of me of different aesthetics. One is a kawaii aesthetic and one is a bad girl aesthetic, is what I call it. My aesthetic personally is girly aesthetic. And yes, I did add the glasses and the tie because I found them while making these two, and I decided, oh my god, they're so cute, I need to add them to my OC. And that brings us to our next topic. Make sure to explore everything and anything that Gacha Club, Gacha Studio, Gachaverse, or Gacha Life has to offer. All the different hair colors, all the different hairstyles, the hats, accessories, skirts, shoes, socks, capes, wings, horns, and etc. etc. That's it for this video. Bye! Bye.